tradition for the keel laying is that you weld two coins inside the ship. So there's one that is from the era of Queen Anne, and the other one is a brand new Cunard coin, which is then welded into the ship. That block is lifted up and then it gets connected as a part of the ship. These coins will never be seen again.
It's only when you come to the shipyard now and you see all the different building blocks starting to come together, that's when it gets really exciting. We're going to start the outfitting inside the ship, so the next year and a half are going to be super special.